Hi lovers, let's make this beautiful hair today. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this hair from the beginning to the end. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. If you're interested in this, please watch to the end. The first thing you want to do with this kind of braiding hair is to put it in hot water to smoothen the texture. This 360 lace or full lace was made with a braiding extension. So due to the style I want to make, I'll have to make the texture look smoothy and silkier. So I use hot water and a conditioner. Put the conditioner in the hot water and put the hair inside the water. If you don't want to go through this process, just use a human hair or a blended hair for this style. Put the hair in hot water, flip it, or making sure that the hot water is touching every part of the hair. Comb it out when necessary and put it back again till it's already done. This water was not hot enough as I wanted, so I had to put the hot water back in the fire and put it again. After which I apply the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I'm applying is the olive leave-in conditioner. This is to further soften the hair and to make it silkier. After which I will sun dry it or just leave it and allow it to dry. So this is the braiding hair I'll be using for this hair. It shocked you? It shocked me too. This is actually the second time I've tried this hair. The first one I did was on my head and I liked how it was, so I decided to try it again. It comes in form of a Brazilian wool. If you're a Nigerian, you will understand better. The Brazilian wool here in Nigeria is just like a yarn used for braiding hair, but the difference with this is that it doesn't accept hot water. That's the Brazilian wool does not accept hot water, but the one I'm using accepts hot water. So the trick I learned with this braiding hair is that if you do it very long, it will tangle. So the secret there is to make it short and keep adding your extension till you get to the length you want. Using my hand as a measurement, so I did it on my hand so that one will not be longer than each other. You know what I'm saying. After which I'll cut it out. I cut the hair with my scissors, just like like normal a braiding extension, and then I don't know what this is called, but we call it here in Nigeria to fish the mouth, or you can say prep it. After fishing the mouth, I'll comb it and apply hair cream on it, just the way you do your normal braiding hair. So our full lace is dry, so we'll move to the next step, which is blow drying it. This also further makes it very silky. At the end of the day, you'll see how beautiful this hair will look. So all this is just to make the hair look more beautiful, to accept the kind of style I want to use it for. Do you see how beautiful this hair is looking? I bet you confuse it to be a weave or a human hair. The next step is to part the hair. I've already brought out the baby face and the baby hairs and all that. Then go ahead to part the hair to the style I want. The hair is just a two-side braid swept to one side. Okay, so after parting the middle side, I'll now part the two, the sides of it into two, and then braid. That my braids are silky and flat, I'll first put a stitch on it first, then braid it on. I tried braiding it like that, it wasn't as flat as I wanted, so I had to stitch it before braiding it.
I mean, just look at it. It's stylish, luxurious, polished, dignified,